Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application or your web browser on your device. Now, if you use your web browser, simply type in facebook.com in the address bar and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Facebook website. Now, if you used an application, you will directly end up within this page from which you will see the login portal. Now, if you don't have an account already, you can click on Create New Account. Otherwise, type in your email address or your phone number followed by your password. Then finally tap on the login button and now you will be logged into your account on Facebook. In case you forgot your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button and then you will be allowed to reset your credentials. After resetting your password or typing in your password, you will be logged into your account on Facebook. And now you can start using your Facebook account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.